Durante too, and my colleague Marco is next to me. Today we want to talk about related to the climate change and some disaster handling strategies in naturally hit disaster areas. My name is Lajos, as I said. I'm from Hydrofield, from Hungary, and I'm a process engineer. Marco, my colleague from Aliaxis.
Yeah, thank
Maybe you
you.
can introduce.
Lajos, yes, I'm Marco Durante. I'm a category manager for valves, industrial valves in Aliaxis. I've been working for this company since many years, more than 20. And today we are here from Frankfurt together with Lajos of Hydrofield to see a very interesting application with our products.
Thank you, Marco. So as we said, today's topic is emergency life support. We all know that climate change is happening and occurring and affecting our daily lives. And we not want to talk about the climate change itself because we know that it's existing and occurring, but we rather want to talk about some strategies, how we can ease the stress caused by climate change. We know that due to climate change, some tornadoes or typhoons can occur. Heavy rainfalls can cause torrential mudslides and dislocating many people. And there is one particular project I'd like to talk about, which Hydrofield and Aliaxis managed very successfully. We need to go back to 2020, November 2020, in Luzon, main island of the Philippines. It was hit by the typhoon Goni and caused many injuries, even killed people and dislocated over 100,000 people. This typhoon was affecting about 17 million people in about 8 countries. And the main problem was that the infrastructure was damaged, people were dislocated, left without electricity, food, and the most important, safe drinking water. The aim of the project was to create, in a relatively short time, a well-functioning modular unit which can produce from rainwater drinking water, safe drinking water. The aim was to produce 2.5 to 6 cubic meters per hour, depending on the incoming water quality. The unit was designed and produced in Hungary, tested in Hungary. Even the operator's training was done in Hungary at the Hydrofield site. And coming to you. This picture is showing you the unit basically already brought to the Philippines and consisting of centrifugation and ultrafiltration and the reverse osmosis. It containing all the chemical tanks, the piping, the valves and fittings provided by Aliaxis, and we did the whole PLC programming, which means the unit was fully automated and could be operated after 2 days training at site under real circumstances. The process flow is a very simplified one, showing you that the incoming raw water was added some chlorine to reduce the organic load, to kill some bacteria. Then the water was sent to a centrifugation, which is causing a rough filtering. And after the centrifugation, an ultrafiltration unit was put in, which can remove the bacteria and virus with a log 6 and log 4 removal rate. And before the reverse osmosis, which was used to reduce the salinity, there is a unit with antiscalant and dechlorination, which is a standard. And after, you get the treated water. So just to give you an impression from that muddy, murky water to produce safe drinking water. The project was set up with the Civil and National Disaster Risk Reduction Office in the Philippines and the Hungarian Ministry for Innovation and Technology, Aliaxis as a part provider for valves and piping and all other fittings, and Hydrofield, who is a classical OEM building water treatment units. We are in close contact to the Aliaxis branch in Hungary. They have 50 co-workers and about a 300 square meter storage warehouse area where they have all the needed parts for this project, which was done in only 2 months from the planning to the commissioning and training. So it's a relatively short time. I need to emphasize this. Marco is going to give you an overview about the Aliaxis group. So,
yeah,
Marco.
Thank you, Lajos. Yes, Aliaxis is a global leader in manufacturing and distribution high quality plastic products for fluid conveying. As Aliaxis, we are present in more than 4 countries with 100 business units and distribution branches. Aliaxis is composed by more than 15,000 employees, and we have a very long experience in all the countries in which we operate.
Thank you, Marco. So, we're getting back to this particular project. Why we picked Aliaxis as a provider of our valves and piping. When you talk about disaster-hit areas, you need reliable components who are durable. They need to be chemical resistant. They need to be UV resistant. They need to be low in maintenance or no maintenance at all. And these are all the reasons they play a role for us, and that's why we picked Aliaxis. It's a long-year partnership, a very successful and partnership over the years. The offer is compromised like with PVC parts and PP parts and all other special type of plastic parts, where Marco is going to tell you more about it. One particular product which we apply in such plants, Marco is going to tell you more about it.
Yeah, thank you, Lajos, again. For this project, the key project selected by Hydrofield together with Aliaxis was the DK diaphragm valve FIP branded. So DK is a diaphragm valve suitable for the use of dirty fluids, both for cut-off or for regulating the fluid. The valve is, in this case, has been selected with pneumatically actuated actuator, available in normally closed, normally open, or double acting function. Let's talk about the key feature of this valve, starting from the design of the body. So the innovative geometry of the body has been optimized to grant the best performance in terms of flow coefficient, providing a very, very high flow rate value, which was the key factor of this project. This valve is available in different material, so polypropylene as in this case, but also PVCU, PPA, PVCC, and PVDF. Available also with different connections, so socket welding, flanged connection, and threaded as well. So the main factor to select the valve was also related to the efficiency of the valve. So this valve is able to work without need of maintenance for a very long time, and this is one of the factors that makes Hydrofield selecting the valve. So that's all for what concerns the key feature of the valve, and we can.
Marco, thank you very much. I think just for the closing words, this showcase was an example for reliable and good partnership between those companies and organizations. And maybe it's time not just to talk about the problem, but to take them in hands and solve them. And we hope that we could get you and offer you like a good solution, an insight how we work, which products we're dealing with, and which problems we can solve. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us anytime. Visit us at Achema. We are here the whole week, or send us an email, and we are happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much for paying your attention.
Thank you to you as well, and thank you, Lion, for your collaboration.
Thank you, Marco.